In this video, we are going to look at the configuration settings for emergency access management. Okay, so we are going to go down to emergency access management. Okay, so here are the configuration settings. So first setting is basically you want to determine if the you want to based ID based or role based. Okay, that's the first setting. So you got one, and then you want to what is the default firefighter validity dates. That means when you create a firefighter ID, what is the default date by which it's classified, like 4 days or 10 days or 2 days or whatever you want company policies. So this is send email immediately, retrieve change log, retrieve system log, retrieve audit log, retrieve command logs, send log reports immediately. All these are options which you want to see whether you want to turn on or not. Okay, I would suggest take the change logs and audit logs. Let you make sure you enable all the logs. That way, at least you can capture all the data which is coming out of the system. Okay, for sending reports, it's better not to turn it on because you'll get too many emails and people will not like it. So it's better to just maybe if you want. You can just say log report execution. This can be enabled. Okay. So here, if you this is a role which is need to be in the backend, so that the ID becomes a firefighter ID. Okay. So you can say firefighter ID owner can submit request to the firefighter owner ID. Firefighter controller can submit request for the firefighter ID controller. Right. So all this, if you want, yes, you can say enable decentralized firefighting. Okay, so this basically means you have option to make it centralized or decentralized. Okay, so centralized means you want to log into GRC system and then go to the child systems. Decentralized, yes, is decentralized means you need to be executing the transaction in the backend system. Okay, you want to also generate a request for the each and every logon. Okay, here are if you want to also turn in the SLG1 log so that you can see what is being captured if there is any error. Okay, also generate a EAM log even though there is no firefighter activity. Even though, let's say for example, the user logs in to the firefighter ID but doesn't do anything, it even captures that. Use ALG grid view. That means you will have a better view of the log report. Okay. Allow firefighter without controller. That means you also want to have, even though if there is no controller, you want to have the firefighter ID. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please click on the link below to download a step-by-step guide. Thank you.